Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Shoe Cove, a charming fishing village nestled on Newfoundland's Bay Verte Peninsula. Just a short 5-minute drive from Lasky, this community is home to a little over 100 residents. The town's unique layout and landscape resemble the shape of a shoe, which is how it got its name. In the heart of Shoe Cove lies a large pond, encircled by the homes of its residents. A short gravel road leads down to the shoreline, where you'll find the community dock and fishing infrastructure. This picturesque setting is a testament to the town's deep-rooted fishing heritage. Shoe Cove's history dates back to around 1830, making it a place rich in stories and traditions. Many Newfoundland residents can trace their ancestry back to this area, highlighting its significance in the province's heritage. Shoe Cove was once part of what was known as the French Shore, granting fishing rights to French fishermen under the Treaty of Utrecht in 1713. Shoe Cove's scenic beauty and rich history make it a unique and inviting place to visit. Whether you're exploring its rugged trails, learning about its past, or simply enjoying the tranquil surroundings, there's something special about this Newfoundland gem.
Thanks for watching!